This is another mat intended to aid with addition problems. You could just use this part with manipulatives, or you could do the whole thing, which involves these magnets that look like the faces of dice. So you'd pick one, put it here, pick another one, put it there, and then the student would identify out loud 5 and 3. The next step would be for them to get some manipulatives and put the corresponding number in this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3. Next, the student would say the math problem out loud. 5 plus 3 equals, and they shift them all over. Now they can figure out the answer by counting 5, 6, 7, 8, counting on, or they could count each individual manipulative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once they have the answer, then they go down here and write out the whole number sentence. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. And again, you don't have to do every single part of this. Like maybe your student has a worksheet with addition problems on it and they just need to use some manipulatives to help figure them out. You don't need to use the magnets, but you could. The nice thing about the magnets is that they remind a student to count on, because a student might be able to subitize this as 5 and just say 5, 6, 7, 8, instead of with the manipulatives where they have to individually count each one. This activity could also be done with different types of magnets, such as these ones, which only have the number written out, or these ones here, which are 10 frames. The benefit of using the dice or the 10 frame magnets is that the student can actually count each individual dot, or in this case you can see that it's kind of filled in. Every time the top row is all the way full, I color it in so that the student is reminded that they don't have to count the dots, they can just say 5. So if we were to use the 10 frames for this problem, we would put 5 and 3. Do the same thing with the manipulatives. Move these over and count 5, 6, 7, 8. You could also have the student just move one of them over and write the rest of the dots in it. So here's 3, I add 3 more, 1, 2, 3, and now count 5, 6, 7, 8.